Good morning. Well, it's afternoon. We've got little dogs. There's a little dog here. There's a little dog over there. There's one little dog. And there's another little dog. So we're just going to go for a walk around the campgrounds here. And we'll have a little talk about... cool. I'll try and keep the camera out of my nose and out of the sun as well. So, idea guys, right, we'll go this way, come on. Come on little dogs. Minnie and Scooter. So we're going to do some videos in regards to, we'll put you on this way guys. Minnie. Oh, she's in there, look. Minnie, come on. So over here, I pointed out the other day, is that's the area that the walk that goes through to Nelson. So we'll check that out at some stage in the coming months. Come on, Fatty. Come on, Fatty. Minnie. Come on. Minnie, come here. Can you get through? Come on. She's just a little too fat though. A little too much food. Come on, Minnie. Come here. Puppy. Minnie. Come here. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, Fatty. Come on, come here. Come on, come on. Come on. Come under. Come under it. Let's go. That's the one. Yay. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah. And Jose, bloody joy. Right. Can you hear the river? I believe this will be a good Eeling Creek. I reckon you can set an eel net in here. I reckon that would be ideal. Right. Oh, just about. Did I get wet? I did. But I'm okay. The little dog's following. Cool. Interesting. This tree fell over and carried on growing. It was like, not giving up. Not giving up. Right, so we've got a couple of spots we can put an eel net in. Okay, got a nice spot there. Hey Scoots! Minnie and Scooter. Hi guys! What you doing? You coming over? Out of the two dogs, Minnie's the closest one and Scooter's the one at the back. Minnie's the more adventurous one. What are you doing guys? Come on, Fatty. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, Gil. Come on. Good Gil. Good Gil. Right. So we can go down to this corner. This is not actually our land. Over here's our land. But not here. But this is pretty cool because we come down here and this is all flooded out. This got flooded out the other day, so it's all flat. And I think we could potentially put an eel net in here. So we've got to find an eel net first. So I know we have a couple. down south at my brother-in-law has one. Shout out to Terry. Oh, what is this? Yeah, so we might put, yeah, put it this way. You just got to find one actually. It's a good wee creek to check it out. Right, mission is get an eel net, put it in. We've got a couple of, we could do a couple of hooks on string. Little dogs, where are you going? Come back here, little dogs. We'll go up the creek a little bit, eh? Go have a look up this way. Come here, little dogs. Come on, they'll come back. Come on. Come on. Come on, little dogs. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Minnie, come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Good girl. Come on. Minnie. This way. Towards me. There you go. Come on. Oh. Come on, girl. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. You're going to have to probably get down and help her up there. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on, Finny. Cool. So we're going to locate an eel net and we'll put it in there and see what happens. Dad's got a smoker so we can smoke eel. Oh, it's good. It's really good. It's really good. So do some more videos within the area of what we're doing here. I'll just switch you around. There's a little dog. Little dog! There's a little dog over there. Playground stuff. Right. Hello! Where'd you go? Where'd you go? You little dog. Cool. Check out the other videos, guys. Links down below. And yeah, I'll see what else I can come up with. Appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.